Hey, good afternoon, guys. Today we're at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It's actually one of the few last days left to ride the Scorpion, one of the roller coasters here that's like over 40 years old. So we're gonna give it a ride. Again, probably ride Falcon's Fury with my GoPro because the Insta360 X3 doesn't really show the footage of it going down. But we're gonna have a Busch Gardens type day. Anywho, I'll see you when I get in the park. We made it into Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, so now we're gonna head right into the Scorpion Hintopia area so we can say goodbye to our Scorpion. I made it over to Scorpion. The sign says it's 15-minute wait. I can get my equipment ready, then I'll see you guys on the ride. So Scorpion just actually went down for technical difficulty. I heard some things about the brake and our mic on the ride, so it just went down for technical difficulty. So I decided to wait here till it opens back up since they're testing it out again already. So I'm gonna wait here until they open back up. I'm gonna have to go over a re-ride, but I forgot to put my stuff in the locker, so I'm gonna put that stuff in the locker real quick. So I'm gonna go over a re-ride, but ride in the front row this time to see how it goes. Oh no, that thing's janky and it needs to retire. So I just got off Scorpion twice. You could definitely tell that thing needs to go. It's not as good as it was. It's way too bumpy and janky right now in this current state. It needs to go, but I'm very excited about the future of this, what it's gonna be. That's what we're gonna talk about now that I rode it twice. Unfortunately, I didn't want to go on again just because of how janky it was. But the first thing is they're thinking about making this station area into pretty much a station for the Giga Coaster that I was talking about in the previous video that they're planning to build. They currently have some construction updates in Jungle that I saw on Facebook last night that I want to talk about. I'm sorry about the loudness of the Scorpion, but we're gonna head over to Jungla and talk about this Giga Coaster. So one of the things they did is apparently, according to what I saw on Facebook, they start destroying some of this children play area they have over here. I'm not sure how true it is, but I'll walk around so we can get some better clips. But this area is temporarily closed, it's not this, and they start to destroy this. Yeah, I see the pieces up there. You probably can't see it because of the branches. I'm gonna see if I can get a better spot to just show you guys, but we start taking that piece of here, and this is where the rumor part of the track for the Giga Coaster is going to be. In a second, I'll explain what the Giga Coaster is going to be, but I'm walking down this way to see if I get a better view of what's going on. You should be able to get a better view over here, actually. They did the caution tape. You hear construction noises over here. So you definitely can tell something's definitely going on over here. That they're demolishing this for the Giga. And like I said, the Scorpion's supposed to be the entrance of the Giga. So this could be very exciting news for this park if we get the Giga. But before I speak to you guys about the Giga, I want to show you that I got a Scorpion test penny. I'm not really personally a fan of pressed pennies, but I just got it just because it's one of the few merchandise they have for Scorpion still. First, I got a shirt that has all the park rides on there. So I got the Scorpion pressed penny, and I'm securing it in my pocket so it doesn't get lost. In my zipper pocket. But I want to talk to you guys so you guys can be aware what a Giga Coaster is, actually. A Giga Coaster is a roller coaster that's 300 feet or taller. And it's pretty much similar to like Mako. And that, as you guys could tell, I'm a big fan of Mako. On my channel, Mako is one of my favorite roller coasters in Orlando, actually. Mako, Guardians Galaxy, Hagrid's, and Velocicoaster are my favorites in Orlando. So it's supposed to be Mako but on a bigger scale. So it's gonna be a phenomenal coaster probably, because I love Mako. It's actually so hot out today, and it's about to rain, so I'm trying to record this quick. But the reason why this is a big deal is because this park particularly cannot build over 175 feet. But they recently got permission from the city of Tampa to build a 335 feet roller coaster. And that's kind of a Giga Coaster. And like all the team members knows what's going there, and they're not declining when I ask them, so I'm pretty sure we're getting the Giga here, Busch Gardens did. And Giga is very long. It's longer than, the track's actually longer than Mako. It goes on for miles and miles and miles, the track. So it's a very exciting time to be Busch Gardens pass holder. This Giga is going to be amazing. I'll insert a highlight of what a Giga looks like that. I have not ridden one yet, but I'll insert a video of one that I found on YouTube.
It's happening. Fury 325, of course, 325 feet tall. It's the tallest Giga coaster in the world. The tallest coaster in the world with a lift hill. Oh my God. The speed is just ridiculous.
As you can tell, I'm not sure what Giga put in yet, but that Giga looks amazing. That's like Mako, but on a much taller and bigger scale. So this could be a very good fit for the park. And with that and Iron Gwazi, that could be the perfect 1-2 combo in any roller coasters all time, actually. And the only thing is, since it looks like Hershey Park likes to copy Busch Gardens, they could end up getting that model, a Giga there soon also, the B&M Giga. So it's a very exciting time to be Busch Gardens pass holder. Like I said, the last two rides you could tell Scorpion needs to go. That's how rough it was. Luckily the camera makes it look more stable than it actually is, that coaster, but that coaster needs to go. I recorded with two cameras. One of them is supposed to be POV. I used the GoPro Hero 11 for POV and the Insta360 just for the vlog. This allows me to be more creative for vlogs, the 360 camera compared to that. But still, that coaster needs to go. You could tell how, well, you probably won't be able to tell, but it was pretty rough, the two rides I ride there. It's a lot better in the front than it is on the back, but it still needs to go. The fun roller coaster just said needs to go. It's seen better days. One of the cast members said they'll be surprised if it doesn't retire on its own terms. I know when I went on, tried to go on the first time, I waited a long time today to get on it. I waited at least like 25 to 30 minutes for because it went down. So, and that's when the customer was saying, I think she wants to go on her own terms. I hope you guys enjoy this different type of video that just ride and talk about like the rumors of what's possibly going there. So I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good day, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone that you think will like Busch Garden content. Bye.